Protect your car from dents, dings, wheel and windshield damage, dulling headlights, rip stains, and more with Radiant Ride. More than a warranty, it's a cosmetic car care program.
They're just thrilled when they come in with like a door ding or like a rim scuff that their husband or wife maybe or son did, and then they come back like it's the end of the world and leave like, wow, that's amazing that repair took care of that, or that now my car is shiny and it looks like it just came out of the detail buff and polish.
A new car is a big investment, and you want to keep it looking new. And that's exactly what Radiant Ride does, with the convenience of your most basic routine maintenance at the dealership.
Very convenient because I come in, I get my oil change done, and then I know, oh, I can set up my 6-month service, get everything handled on the vehicle that needs to be handled cosmetic-wise. They make it so easy. It's a one-stop shop. Just get everything taken care of, and it's so convenient.
Look, dents and dings are going to happen. Radiant Ride ensures they don't last. So for the car you want, it's the protection you need. Ask for it by name at the dealership and maintain the value and appearance of your new car with Radiant Ride.